Wish you happy Kali Puja to all of my dear students. The board has parent of 2026 CBSE. Today I am going to teach you the chapter number 3, metals and non-metals, minerals and ores. Today topic is minerals and ores. So my dear student, it is quietly today. We are going to complete the chapter. 90% chapter is already completed. So my dear student, today I am going to teach you the minerals. So minerals, the elements or compounds which occur naturally in earth crust are known as minerals. The elements, the 118 elements, in 118 elements, those elements occur naturally in earth crust, that is called mineral. For example, NaCl, NaNO3, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, CuFs, calcium carbonate, Fe2O3, Ag2S, etc., which occur in nature are all minerals. They all are minerals. They all are minerals. So minerals are the chief source of metals. Minerals are the chief source of metals. However, it is not practically possible to obtain a metal from all its minerals. So one thing always you keep in mind, that all elements or compounds which occur in nature naturally in earth crust are known as mineral. For example, NaCl, NaNO3, CuFs, CaCO3, Fe2O3, Ag2S. But which occur in nature are all minerals. Minerals are the chief source of metal. All things are quite clear. But however, it is not practically possible. To obtain a metal from all its minerals. So the elements or compounds which occur naturally in earth crust are known as mineral. For example, NaCl, NaNO3, CuFs, CaCO3, Fe2O3, Ag2S, etc., which occur in nature are all minerals. Minerals are the chief source of metal. However, it is not practically possible to obtain a metal from its mineral. It is not possible to obtain a metal from its mineral. Second point is ores. So minerals is completed. Second is ores. The mineral from which metals can be extracted profitably called ores. The minerals which are going to be extracted. The minerals, the substance or the minerals from which metals is going to be extracted, can be extracted for profit purpose, for large scale, that is called ores. Like both Al2O3, 2H2O and clay, Al2O3, 2Si2, 2H2O are minerals of aluminium. But aluminium is obtained from bauxite. Therefore bauxite is an ore of aluminium. So it is quite clear. The minerals from which metal can be extracted, for profit purpose, profitably, are called ores. Like Al2O3, 2H2O and clay, Al2O3, 2SiO2, 2H2O, both are minerals of aluminium. But aluminium is obtained from the bauxite, so bauxite is an ore of aluminium. Thus, we can say, on the account of this, we can say all ore are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. All ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ore. Second is, an ore is rich in the amount of metal. Ore is always rich in the amount of metal because it can be extracted from the metal. So the amount of foreign material or impurities is lower in ore. Amount of foreign materials or unwanted substances is low in ore. So my dear student, this is all about the minerals and ore. Continuously I am giving you the videos. So this is all about the minerals and ores.